Let's design a plum and orange porch pot. We can use our demo pot here that is a 12-inch diameter with foam. This would also work in your 12 to 14-inch outdoor pot that has dirt in it. Don't pull out all of the roots of your previous plants from this summer. Just cut it off, leave them in there. That makes a sturdier base for your stems to go in. Start at the back and work with the tallest items first, and leaving room for the rest of the shorter stems in front of it. We're going to place the stick and the leaves up in the back together as a set, shaping a little bit just to soften up the stick straight appearance of how they come out of the box. Then we're going to add our base greenery, both in orange and in plum. Again, make sure you give a little bit of a bend to these stems. You want to loosen them up and shape each one by softening the straightness. And if you do that, you're going to have a much fuller plant as well. So it's important not to worry about bending it, because bent stems look a lot more realistic than straight stems. This one's going on the right, trailing out to the side. If you don't like the length, you could cut off the long piece and reinsert it shorter also. This is a little bit shorter. We're going to place that one out to the left. And that gives us the starting point for the base of our design, nice and full to cover the pot. Then we're going to add the star of the show, the purple mum. Love that look. Open it up a little bit, pull it apart, make it look somewhat fuller. Not too much, but just enough to get rid of the compactness of it. That's going to be slightly off to the left because we're still going to add a pumpkin in this design. This piece is added for height on the left side, and that's been shaped a bit. Then for height on the right side, we've got a tall eucalyptus stem in that pretty plum color, as well as this little myrtle leaf in the gold tones. Get that down in there as well. You can see the balance here is just beautiful. A nice grass spike that will offset to the right. And then as a base for our pumpkin, we're using this little dark orange fern at the bottom in the front. And now our pumpkin that's going to come to you on a stake is going to stand out in the front here and nestle nicely onto that orange fern. There you've got it, a beautiful plum and orange porch pot.